Replacing a headlamp bulb in a Volvo S60. This is a 2011 model, and this bulb here is out. So it's the dip beam bulb, and I'm going to be showing you how to replace that now. Okay, so on these models here, that and that is actually holding the lamp in position, so you lift up. So to remove these, just lift them up. Alright, so I just relocated because we needed the lift. So you pull these up, straight up. There is a clip there and a clip there. If you have any issues with those, I would recommend spraying lubrication down and then pull up. When you do that, this will start to move away. You just jiggle it around. It's a lot easier with two hands. So when you get the lamp out to this stage, you will see that there is torque heads here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. They need to be removed, and then you gain access to the bulb to replace. You don't need to disconnect this if you don't want to. You can do that in place. If you want to disconnect this, there is a connection down here. You just pull that out, and then you can bring this to a bench to do. I'm just going to bring my tools out here and do it in place. So these are a T20, and I'm just going to use my electrical tool to back them out quick and then gain access to the bulb. Now, if that cover removed, it's just simply pull this back, and that gains access to the H7 bulb, which needs to be removed then. And it's just a straight pull back, and that is it. So I'm going to get the new bulb fitted in now and put it all back together. New H7 bulb, when you're fitting it back in, make sure that you don't touch the glass. Just hold it at the base here. Go straight in, locating pin facing upwards. So the headlamp bulb is fitted in. I have the connector back on. It's at this stage I would recommend that you testing it, make sure that everything is okay. If it is, go ahead, put back on the cover and then fit it back into position. I'm just going to do that now, and then I'll show you when the job is all done. This job is now complete and everything is back together as it should be. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.